As people continue to flee Ukraine, there are concerns across the EU that human traffickers will target vulnerable women and children, including here in Ireland. Trafficking is already occurring in Ireland, and there are many examples of it across the country. They include sexual exploitation, labour exploitation, domestic work, forced begging, forced criminality and forced marriage. The war in Ukraine has resulted in more than 1.8 million children crossing into neighbouring countries as refugees, according to UNICEF. While state agencies are at points of entry in Ireland, anti-human trafficking organisations here say that more needs to be done.
We need to ramp up our efforts in terms of awareness raising around human trafficking and child trafficking, and the subsequent training for frontline professionals and members of the general public.
We're engaging with a provider in relation to providing training not just to our team out in the airport, but to teams right across the country on identifying the risk factors for child trafficking and human trafficking.
The National Rapporteur for Child Trafficking in Ireland has echoed the concern of 7 organisations who've called for the government to revise the national referral mechanism, which aims to provide support to victims.
Speed up this, prioritise it, if we can, above anything else, so that we are properly prepared to identify, early detect cases and offer assistance.
Implementation of a national referral mechanism is included in this year's Justice Plan, which was announced by Minister Helen McEntee yesterday. Alva Keneally, RTE News.